on council, or you want to proceed on your own, that is the only thing. Yes.
So you want to say reporters I will retain? With a different offense that was not indicated in the summons. Because offense in the summons, Your Honor, was or to give information or to record a statement on an offense undermining a public officer, under section 132, and incitement to violence. But they decided to charge me with an offense of assault. And assault, according to them, that happened even before I took plea on this case, in this particular case I'm facing. And assault that happened in, after the allegations, May 2019.
Yes.
So I was detained. Despite the offense being bailable, assault, I was denied police bail and locked up. Mutayo police station. I was in court yesterday. I denied the charges. The prosecution objected to my release on bail. So the ruling is tomorrow.
So you have finished it tomorrow?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which court?
Kiambu.
Just compose yourself. It's good to compose yourself so that you don't forget anything. So, wait for what?
Wait for Your Honor. I need at least a week or two to consult with Dr. Camino, and then we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. Maybe Mr. Yama. We have not had enough time, Your Honor, to consult. So I need more time, Your Honor. Based on my current position, I've been in custody.
Don't cry, don't cry.
I can't cry, Your Honor. I'm always emotional, Your Honor.
Compose yourself. I need more time.
Yeah, I'm praying for more time. So that I can consult with Dr. Camino and other lawyers so that we can proceed with this matter, Your Honor. I'm not crying, Your Honor. It's very painful, Your Honor. Oh,
You're shedding tears, so let's do that.
thank you, Your Honor.
That is all. I think that is all.
Thank you.
Let's hear the response. Yes.
Yes, Your Honor, with the permission from my landlord, we would suggest that 14 days would suffice. If you could measure the matter, if the matter could be measured in 14 days, so that you may have time, even as he gets directions tomorrow on how the bail application will go. To ascertain as to whether in 14 days you'll have had time to sit down, settle on the lawyers representing.
Yeah?
Settle on the lawyers that are going to represent you.
What have you said in 14 days?
In 14 days, probably we could measure the matter in 14. If the matter could be measured in 14 days from today,
Yeah, for mention.
in hope, hoping that in that time, he'll have been able to settle down on the lawyers that are going to represent him, and also give them time to even read through the proceedings. I'm meant to understand that already 10 witnesses have testified. For them to get to know what they're getting into. So Your Honor, 14 days would be good time for us to mention the matter in view of the boundaries that the administrators within.
In which case, there are two
There is
applications.
case one, the application for
There is
rescue.
execution. In your application,
My own application. When I was worried the time of the proceedings, at times used to proceed until 10 p.m., 8 p.m. when it's dark, using torches. But now I've seen a circular from the CJ that we may, you have the authority of proceeding beyond working hours. You know, I was worried. I didn't know which instructions you had when you were proceeding at night.
yes.
So in that consultation time I needed my lawyers, maybe we might come with a different solution.
I thought you were saying the court's time.
So maybe we might save the cost time and proceed with the case after consulting to my lawyers. Maybe the only problem that will be there, Your Honor, I think you are forgetting. You have handled them. I've appeared before you as a complainant. And that time you ruled
You
against
are
me.
now responding to this application.
Oh, okay. So, just on record, last point, why I was emotional. While I was at the DCS office, after being served the summons in this court, the officers asked me to withdraw an affidavit I filed in the High Court against one Christina Pratt, who is the president's sister. Then when I refused, they framed up those assault charges. So for the record of the court, it's very important to know that. Thank you, Your Honor.
Sorry, 26th of January, Your Honor. They'd already enjoyed the 7 days that you had given him to seek counsel.
Yes.
And we would prefer that he gets another 7 days. That would have been our preference, Your Honor, so that we are still within the hearing dates that we had for the 9th, 10th, and 11th. And Your Honor, I'd also like to point out that we also have dates for 31 of 2019, which if we are not careful, these dates will spill into the dates that you're going to take next, will spill into the dates for 31 of 2019 and 32 of 2019. And with all due respect, Your Honor, proceedings in this court are time-bound.
I beg your pardon. And what?
They're time-bound. And we have the privilege of, even by law, having day-to-day hearings in such kind of matters. Our request, Your Honor, is for 7 days.
Please don't repeat.
Sorry?
Don't repeat.
So, Your Honor, we
It's
also
already
have
I'm
two
saying it's
pending,
already on record.
guided, Your Honor. We also have two pending applications before you that are waiting your directions. There's an application dated 20th of January 2021, filed by the state for disclosure.
One dated
20th of January 2021, filed by the defense for disclosure. Sorry, by the state, sorry, for disclosure. 2021
by the state.
by the state for disclosure, that is still pending hearing. And we've got another application, Your Honor, filed by the accused person, dated 29th of January, seeking recusal of this court from hearing this matter. We'll also be requesting for directions for hearing of these two applications, even as Your Honor considers granting the accused person time to confer with his advocates to give instructions, and we'll be requesting for a date that does not interfere with the hearing dates that we had already.
Yes?
And we'll be requesting for a date for our application dated 20th of January 2021, within the 14 days that the court had sought to give